It was specifically this forsteri b Y9YR-EESFIE notification sound. I was in the kitchen with our dog. My mom was in her bedroom. It was so loud that it was heard throughout the whole house. Even our dog perked up and looked confused when he heard it, trying to see where it came from. My mom and I were totally weirded out because it really did sound like it came from inside the house. She was like, "What was that?" I tried brushing it off, thinking the sound might have been just carried by the wind somewhere or something, but it's been bothering me ever since. Any clues as to what might have made the sound?